Welcome back. India today has now exposed multiple incidents of Chinese border aggressions, including incidents of firing as well at the LAC. Top army sources have now confirmed to India today that Chinese troops did resort to firing shots on several instances in the Pangong area. As many as 4 confirmed instances of firing were done by the Chinese side, reported on first August 29, then August 31st, then September 7, and this on the south of Pangong. Also on September 8 in the North Pangong area. Indian troops had resorted to its own warning maneuvers to thwart the Chinese aggression, even briefly exchanging fire on 29th and 31st August. These incidents taking place on Pangong's south bank during Indian Army's preemptive mobilization. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Home Affairs has told the Parliament that there is no infiltration from China at the line of actual control, at least during the last 6 months. However, one official from the Home Ministry also did confirm that infiltration is not the same as incursion. Let's go across directly now to Ladakh on ground, because our defense editor Abhishek Bhalla is joining us. Abhishek, this is a confirmation. The facts were known already, but it appears that now it is on record that there were at least 4 instances where firing was taking place. You tell us what exactly happened. How is now this going to reflect clearly to ensure to target China that it did fire?
Pooja, this demonstrates how fragile the lines of communication between the two armies are. You know, we've been hearing of deliberations. We've been hearing that once again military commanders will meet. The brigade commanders have been meeting constantly over the last few days. And amid all this, we have this aggression from the Chinese side. But I can tell you one thing, Pooja, that the situation remains extremely grim, especially in the Pangong Lake area, be it at the northern bank or the southern bank. And the reason for that is that there is a huge build-up from both sides. While discussions might continue, but unless things ease out on the ground, unless there is a pullback of troops from these friction points, this kind of volatile situation will continue. As far as firing is concerned, see, the fact is that rules of engagement changed after the incident on 15th of June in Galwan, where Indian Army lost 20 braves, including their commanding officer of 16 Bihar Regiment. And since then, the Army has made it clear that if required, the commanders on the ground will take a decision whether to fire or not if they feel that their troops are under a situation which could be life-threatening.
Abhishek, thank you so much for getting us this ground report. In fact, Abhishek has been sending us from different areas about the situation, and these are maps and images on your screen to tell you about 4 instances from South Pangong to North Pangong where the firing took place. India did resort, but only with warning maneuvers, ensuring, remember, at least that peace must also be maintained on the border. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for the latest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.